Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the pTron Bullet Pro Quick Charge 3.0 car charger. On the front of the box, we can see an image of the product. On top and on the bottom, we have the pTron Bullet Pro branding, and to the right here, we can see that it has a charging power of 36 watts. On the left hand side and on the right hand side, we have the pTron Bullet Pro branding. On the top, we have a sticker that reveals that we have the black variant of the product, and there's nothing on the bottom. On the back, we have some technical specifications. It has two kinds of output interfaces, which include two USB Type A interfaces and one USB Type C interface. Its charging input is DC 5 volts. Output voltages are 5 volts, 9 volts and 12 volts. Output max power is 36 watts and charger weight is 32 grams. Underneath that, we have some protection functions, and it is basically protected against overcharging, surge current, surge voltage, overcurrent, short circuit and high temperatures. Underneath that, we have some importer and manufacturing details, and right at the bottom we have the details for the customer care. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the car charger. As we can see, it has a glossy black finish all around it. On the top, we have the pTron branding. Here we have the various interfaces. The orange one is a Quick Charge 3.0 interface. The blue one is a 3.5 ampere interface. And the one in the middle is a Type C interface. On the back, we can see the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 branding to certify that this is a genuine Qualcomm 3.0 product. And right in the middle, we have the BIS certification logo. And right here on the right, we have the input and output voltages, which we have already covered on the box. There are also the silver connecting points that connect on the inside of the car charger. So this was the unboxing of the pTron Bullet Pro Quick Charge 3.0 car charger. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.